This doctor is one of the finest in the world. Like, I have met a lot of doctors in Germany. I met doctors in the US, like crazy more doctors.
I met in Paris.
Exactly. She has also met doctors in Paris.
Yes.
We even got her father from France just to do his visit for his eyes, because he has been facing lately some issues with his diabetes and everything. So he also loves it.
It was an excellent service, and I don't think I have experienced any of like this amazing service. So please.
Hi, my name is Khandvi. I live with my wife in New York, and before that, I have been staying in New York for almost 12 years. Before that, I used to live in Europe. So since my wife came to the US before like 5 years, and around 1 year before, she has been facing issues in her eyes. So we went to several doctors, including generalists and ophthalmologists, but we were not able to figure out any solution. Turns out that when I was just flying into India after like a couple of years, my dad suggested Dr. Yogesh, and he was just like, you know what, you should give him a shot. He knows him personally. And I told my wife, and she was more than happy to try this doctor as well. Trust me or not, like, this doctor is one of the finest in the world. Like, I have met a lot of doctors in Germany. I met doctors in the US, like crazy more doctors.
I met in Paris.
Exactly. She has also met doctors in Paris.
Yes.
No doctor was able to give her even a basic feedback within like 10 or multiple visits. This doctor gave us time on a Sunday, which is off in Gujarat, of course, we all know. And he gave us solution within 15 minutes of his treatment and checkup. One of the finest doctors without any hesitation. And a person like us, or people like us who live outside the US, who live outside India, it always is a necessity to have a doctor who is clear, concise, and gives us accessible help. This doctor not only gave us all the help, the staff was one of the most perfect staff you could get. No waiting time, or least amount of waiting time. The office is extremely clean. The machines are new, and the doctor is so knowledgeable that you feel like trusting him with anything. And on top of that, now because we loved his service so much, it is, I would say, 10 out of 5. We even got her father from France just to do his visit for his eyes, because he has been facing lately some issues with his diabetes and everything. So he also loves it. But one of the finest doctors. I have also put my reviews on Google. Even she has done the same. So if you're coming in from the US, if you're coming in anywhere from, I don't know, Germany, Europe, France, please do visit this doctor if there's anything with regards to your eyes that is going up. I'm very, very, very sure, like, I can trust him with my life. He's going to get you a solution in no time and get you outside the door smiling. So do trust him. 20 out of 5 is what I would say now, because the amount of hassle that we have faced there and compared to the ease of service that we got here is just impossible. Nothing can beat this person. So please do trust him. Show up here if there's anything with your eyes. He's going to take care of everything. Finest, 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 in case you wish to add anything.
And he will get off the door seeing.
Exactly. Yeah. He's just
so please
to be
trust us, and it was an excellent service, and I don't think I have experienced any of like this amazing service. So please. We are talking after like traveling a few places in the US, seeing so many doctors, and she coming from Europe. Yeah. So that's it. Nothing more required to be said. So just trust him. Best of luck.